Back in the day, we were the Southern Crossers. Ocho, Mikey the Milkman, Frank Bridell, and Outback Jack Estrada. Riding the trains, riding the rails, baby! What the fuck were we thinking?
Hey, old dog, road dog here. Now, just giving a shout out to the Diaper Boys, Peachy Rolly Loco, Frank Rydell, Outback Jack, and Mike the Milkman Evans. Now, I gotta get going. Diaper Boys, Southern Crossers all the way now. Peace.
Man, what up, dog? I miss you, bro. I love you, man. Yeah, Mikey the Dog, Milkman Bone Evans. In the day, we was riding the trains. We was living life, living minimal, having wine. It was all good in the hood. Pinchy Rolly Loco, where you at, bro? I miss you the most, man, cause I never see you. You know I miss you, bro. Love you. Peace. We didn't have no jobs. We didn't have shit. We had each other. Frank Rydell, where are you, baby? Holy fuck!
This video, a tribute to the Southern Crossers, the Diaper Boys, Pinchy Roland Loco, Mikey the Milkman Evans, Frank Max Rydell, and me, Outback Jack Estrada. Y'all be safe now, riding them rails now.